Every moment you feel deeper and deeper truth hidden in spoken language, in written, or in any object. Then we are on the path of self-realization. That is having one traditional name, seek a kingdom of God. Then where is kingdom of God? This is the question. And same thing was taught by Lord Krishna. Try to be true devotee of my teaching. Whatever I say, Arjun, just follow it. And same thing was explained by Jesus. But when try to listen them, why I have to follow you? I don't believe in you. Then we have different teaching. The seek a kingdom of God. Then we have different teaching. Be dedicated to God. Follow the truth. All are having same meaning. Follow the truth. Seek a kingdom of God. Be devotee to God. Or try to love yourself. Try to become more and more full of vitality, peace and joy. All are having the same meaning. And now we are very much evolved. Now we can understand better. Each and every part of the creation is throne of God. Here God means omnipresent spirit, which is present everywhere and is formless. But that formless spirit is having great power how to become form. Then that spirit has attained in the different forms like these radiations, visible rays, invisible rays, atom molecules. We all are, each and every creation is kingdom of God. Then wisest thing is that we have to select the nearest of near. That is head to toes this. Then head to toes your presence is kingdom of God. Never try to think, oh, kingdom of God is within. Then where is within? Inside bone marrow, inside cell, inside atom molecules, where is it? Inside electron, then inside the space. Because we are having great confusion, we have great complaint with this body, we don't like it, therefore we try to dress up nicely, to make ourselves handsome, beautiful. We use so many things in order to increase our glory. Different dress, different things. It means we don't like ourselves. The moment we practice 100% liking of our own self, then we will realize this head to toes is kingdom of God. Then how to like? When you are sitting, 1 hour, I like it. Okay, all right. Sit 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Now I don't like it. Now learn how to like head to toes when we are sitting 24 hours. When we are standing 24 hours. When we are walking 24 hours. When you are working 24 hours and resting 24 hours. When you are sleeping 24 hours, don't have complaint that I am having heaviness of head. You have to love your visible presence in all dimensions. And how to achieve it, that is what Kriyayoga meditation is.